So here we have the ingredients required for our bread pizza and no pizza bread. How can it be? First of all, the whole wheat bread. You may use any bread that you want to, white, multigrain, anyway. So other ingredients are onion, bell peppers. I'm using 3 colors: red, green and yellow. Corn, butter, cheese, ketchup, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, chili flakes, chili sauce. Oh, I mean that green chili sauce and red chili sauce, coriander and garam masala. Garam masala is totally optional. So without any further delay, let's prepare our pizza sauce at the first. I'm going to prepare an instant pizza sauce for our instant bread pizza. Here I have some ketchup in which I'm going to add the red chili sauce and green chili sauce. First of all, the green chili sauce and then the red chili sauce. Adding, I mean, if you want to use the ready-made ones, you may use ready-made ones, totally optional to prepare your own. After that, add the chili flakes to it, a pinch of it, salt, pepper and our Italian seasoning, and mix these and our instant pizza sauce is ready. If you want to use garlic, sugar, you may use garlic and sugar, but this is an easy way to prepare it. I'm using only these ingredients. This is what I prepare for our any pizza, whether it's a normal pizza, pizza uttapam or this. So our pizza sauce is ready. Let's prepare our bread pizza. Here I have a pan in which I'm going to toast this bread. I have applied some butter, and make sure toast it only from one side, don't toast it from both the sides. That's why I'm using a pan. So now it looks like it is done. I have covered it up silly, so I'm going to check whether it's done or not. It looks like it is done by the crunch. Yeah, you can see the beautiful color here. You want some dark color in it, so it's crispy. You can see at the bottom right side I have applied the butter on the either side also right now. After that I'm applying the sauce here, and to give it an extra kick, you may also add some chili flakes, salt and pepper after applying the sauce, as I will do. And if you want to use some what we say cheese spread and all, you may use cheese spread. Here I have added some chili flakes, Italian seasoning and salt, pepper after the sauce. Now the onions. So adding the onions, make sure cut everything in small pieces. Adding the topping as per your taste. I am applying these what I had, red, green and yellow peppers here. You may use any topping as per your taste, jalapenos, olives, anything. So make sure whatever you're using, cut it into small pieces. After that use it. And the corn here. So this small pizza can be cut into small pieces and served, and it will taste as delicious as it can be. So however you prepare, it will be delicious, even if it's cooked little longer and if it gets a little dark color on the bottom. I mean, if it gets burned, then also it will taste delicious. After adding the topping, I have added some salt also for the topping. Now the cheese, make sure don't add salt in much, because cheese have hefty amount of salt in it. So add the cheese here, and after that adjust the cheese and give it a pat, so that the cheese is well maintained and not spreading it out from the sides. So now in the pan I'm going to add some butter. Yes, we applied the butter on the bottom side also. Then also I'm adding some butter for the extra kick of butteriness. Now the bread, now I'm going to give it a pat and adjust the cheese once again. Cover it up and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure you be here only, don't keep it and go around, because this bread will burn very fast. And make sure you cook it in a low flame. Wait for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now our bread pizzas are ready. I have served 3 breads, one with coriander, one with chili flakes and one with garam masala. You may top it up with anything. Now you may serve it up like a whole bread, or cutting it up like this, or puzzling up all of them in a single plate, however you want it. Like I have puzzled it up here. And thank you for watching. Do subscribe for